Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on and off edge lighting on the Samsung Galaxy A17. To do that, just open Settings, then tap on Notifications. From here, just tap on Notification Pop-up Style, then go to Edge Lighting Style. Now, if you want to turn on Edge Lighting Style on your Samsung phone, just select any Edge Lighting Style other than None, just like that. Also, if you tap on colors, you can customize the color of the edge lighting style. And if you tap on advanced, you can increase or decrease the transparency and the duration of the edge lighting style. Now, if you want to turn off the edge lighting style, under effects, just select none. And by selecting none, you will disable the edge lighting style on your Samsung phone. Now just select done. And this is how you can turn on and off the edge lighting style on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.